Hello kids, I'm mentor Neetu. We are doing basic mathematics class 5 by Coral Publisher. So today we are starting chapter 15, percentage. Very important topic. Gagan went to a mall for shopping with his parents. He was very much surprised to see hoarding on shops offering discounts on the sale. They entered into a shop. His mother asked for 6 liters of oil. The salesman told her that the price of 5 liters of oil was rupees 500 with 10% discount. He explained to her that she would get 5 liters of oil for rupees 450. After returning home, Gagan asked the meaning of percentage or percent. Gagan's mother explained that the term percent means out of 100. Percent, cent means 100, out of 100. So percent is a fraction with 100 as the denominator. Percent is denoted by this symbol. When a number is expressed in the percent form, it is called percentage. In other words, percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction with 100 in the denominator. So to find percent, we can build equivalent fraction with denominator 100. So look at the examples, it would be clear to you. Converting a fraction into percent. A fraction can be converted to percent by the following two methods. Change a fraction into an equivalent fraction with the denominator 100 and then multiply the fraction by 100 and add a percent sign. जब भी आपको किसी भी टर्म को, जैसे फ्रैक्शन है, इसको हमें कन्वर्ट करना है परसेंटेज में, इट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. ओके, सो एग्जाम्पल 1 रिप्रेजेंट हाफ एज अ परसेंट. तो आप सिंपली क्या करो, 1/2 को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. सो दिस इज 50%. ओके, जैसे सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल है रिप्रेजेंट 5/8 एज अ परसेंट. तो 5/8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, 4 से कट कर दो. सो दिस इज 125/2. यानी आप चेंज कर सकते हैं मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में 62 होल 1/2%. कभी भी आपको परसेंट लाना है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. सिंपल थिंग. ओके, नाउ कन्वर्टिंग परसेंट इनटू अ फ्रैक्शन. और अगर हमें परसेंटेज को रिमूव करना है तो डिवाइड बाय 100. सो वी कन्वर्ट द परसेंट इनटू अ फ्रैक्शन बाय डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 100 एंड रिमूविंग द परसेंटेज साइन. जैसे 50% है तो 50/100 हाफ. अब परसेंटेज साइन नहीं आएगा, हमने रिमूव कर दिया. ओके, 40% यानी 40 आउट ऑफ 100, 40/100 कट इट. दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड फ्रैक्शन. Example 3, express 75% as fraction, यानी 75 out of 100, cut it, you will get 3/4. Now example 4, convert 3 whole 4/5% into fraction. इसको हम convert करेंगे improper में 19/5%. नीचे लगा देंगे 100. अब आपके पास आ जाएगा 19/500. ओके, कन्वर्टिंग परसेंट इनटू अ डेसिमल नंबर. अब हमें परसेंटेज से डेसिमल नंबर में जाना है. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू, जब भी हम परसेंटेज रिमूव करेंगे डिवाइड बाय 100 करेंगे. सो टू कन्वर्ट द परसेंट इनटू डेसिमल, डिवाइड द परसेंट बाय 100 एंड राइट इन द डेसिमल फॉर्म. जैसे एग्जांपल 5 है, कन्वर्ट 5% इनटू डेसिमल. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 5/100 लिख देंगे. अब इसको आप डेसिमल फॉर्म में, यू नो वेरी वेल हाउ टू राइट इट. Put the decimal before 2 digits, so answer is 0.05. ऐसे यहाँ पे convert 375% into decimal है, यानी 375/100, 3.75. Finding percent of a number, the simplest way to find a percent of a number is to know the fraction equivalent to percent. Like 50% means half times, 25% means quarter or 1/4, 10% means 1/10, 200% means double, 2 times, and 300% means 3 times. Like example 7, 60% of 130 mangoes are not ripe. how many mangoes are not ripe? It means 60% of 130. Of means multiply. तो 60% हम percentage remove करेंगे. 60 by 100 into 130. Zeros cancel कर दो. So what are you getting? 78. Okay. Now example 8. Ram solved 48 question out of 60. What percent question did he solve? So 48 out of 60. आपने परसेंटेज लाना है यानी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 करना है. 48 out of 60 into 100. So what will you get? आप कट कर दो zeros. 6 8s answer is 80%. Okay. Example 9. Nancy scored 76% marks in maths out of 200. How many marks did she score? 76% of 200 यानी 76 upon 100 into 200. So 0 0 cancel. Answer is 152. I hope these are clear to you. So exercise 2 is based on such type of question. You can go through those questions. And now maths lab activity given. You can try this one on your own. Mental maths question, some question given. So you can try these questions. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.